Hi, hello there. I hope you're having a great day today. As you know, SEO services are crucial to digital marketing and are also worthless unless they are gotten right, which means that the experts know how to do that better than anyone else. Today, I wanted to share with you 7 reasons why I believe you should hire a professional SEO agency like Bipper Media to help you with your SEO needs. The first reason is you can focus on what you do best. There's a lot that goes into SEO, or search engine optimization. In fact, SEO has its own industry. This means that if you choose to do the SEO work for your business yourself, then you're guaranteed to be taking time away from efforts in your own industry. Outsourcing your SEO makes sure that you have more time to focus on services and/or products that your own business offers. Number 2, it can save money. While it might sound backward, you can actually save money by outsourcing SEO work. If you start doing it in-house, there are numerous things that you'll have to pay for to get started, including hiring and training someone and ensuring that they have the software and equipment that they will need to get your SEO up and running. Number 3, any SEO agency, can stay up on top of trends for you. Just like most other industries, SEO is ever-changing and constantly evolving. Professional SEO agencies stay on top of these trends for you, and you won't have to worry about your business falling behind. The benefits last for a long time. Even if you're only able to work with a professional SEO agency for a short time or for specific projects, the work that they do will have a lasting impact on your business. It can help improve your website. SEO improves your website in other ways than just helping it rank on Google. Professional SEO services know how to keep things looking clean and designed so that Google will love them. You'll learn a lot. One of the best things about hiring SEO services is that you'll learn a lot just from seeing them work. Although you aren't having to do the work yourself, you'll get a good idea of what's going on into your website to help you rank, and a great side effect of this is the knowledge that you and your employees will retain. They'll do it better. Even if you decide to take SEO on yourself, the professional will do it better. With 53% of people doing online research before they buy a product, it's not something you want to fall short on. This is the most important medium for advertising your product there is. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it helpful. To learn more about what we can do for you, please visit our website at bippermedia.com or scan the QR code on the screen to schedule a call with our excellent business development team today. We'd love to connect with you and share the ways that we believe Bipper can help your business. Have a wonderful day.